In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable a passkey on Notion so you can secure your account with a safer and more convenient login method. If you're using Notion for work, personal projects, or team collaboration, adding a passkey or password-based security is an important step to protect your data. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Notion. Then, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen inside Notion. This is the main dashboard where you can see your pages, recent work, and workspaces. From here, look toward the top left corner and click on your workspace name. In this example, it's labeled as Sky Space, but yours may show a different name depending on your account. Clicking on your workspace name opens a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you into Notion's settings area where you can manage your account preferences, security options, and personal information. Once the settings page opens, look at the sidebar and click on your account name. This is usually your name or the name associated with your Notion account. Selecting this option brings up your account-specific settings. Now scroll until you find the security section, where you'll see an option to add a password. This is an important step because setting a password enables stronger authentication and allows you to use passkey-related security features. Click on Add Password to continue. At this point, Notion will prompt you to create a new password. Carefully type in your new password, making sure it's strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After entering your new password, move to the next field and confirm the password by typing it again. Double-check that both entries match to avoid any errors. Once everything looks good, click on Set a Password. Notion will process your request, and after a moment, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully set. This message confirms that your account security has been updated. With this password in place, your Notion account is now better protected and ready to support passkey-style secure sign-in methods. That's all there is to enabling passkey-related security on Notion. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in keeping your workspace and data safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.